So
Good morning.
today we're actually doing a fashion look for how people work here. And so you look very edgy today. I really like how you look.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much.
Do you perhaps have any style Korean brand that you carry with you at the moment?
Hold on a second. I'm using BioRep sunscreen
Oh.
every morning.
Hey Julia.
Very nice.
Oh, really?
fashion.
I'm glad I decided to wear something nice today.
Do you perhaps have any style Korean products with you at the moment?
Really? Just a moment.
It's okay.
It was released quite recently and it appeared on our website like 2 weeks ago.
Oh.
That's today. This is another product. And what do you call it? Like 애교살?
애교살?
Yeah.
영어로 뭐야?
But there is no English name for it. Yeah, but I use it as an eyeshadow, just like a creamy eyeshadow.
Oh.
Yeah, and the other side it has a liner.
Oh, twin one.
귀여워. 굿, 땡큐.
어제 받은 건데.
갑자기? 이걸 갖고 다닌다고?
Actually, yeah. I don't know what to say.
안녕하세요.
I have a Muse lip tint. Lately, I've been obsessed with the Muse. Then I also have the Tira Kush.
아, 이거 PPL 아닌가요? No!
I have three. This is must-have for already skin whitening. This is when I don't use makeup, so it's just a lip balm and tint.
오케이.
Hello, you look very nice today.
룩이 좀 상당히 멋있으시네요. 무슨 룩이시죠? 에스레저 룩 같은 느낌인데.
Do I? This is my pouch. I think I have to cover. And here's my eye palette.
많이 썼는데 진짜?
I've been using for a year.
굿. 굿. 안녕하세요.
해도 돼요.
출근룩 찍고 있는데 혹시 가방 안에 저기요. 네네. 가방 안에 스타일 코리안 제품 있으신가요?
있어요.
있어요? 뭐죠?
저의 핸드크림.
어떤 제품이죠?
헉슬리 핸드크림.
너
이쪽 발에. 그래. 하나, 둘, 셋. 짠.
맞.
이렇게 들어올 때부터 하는구나. 촬영하고 있는데 되게 귀여우세요. 아, 감사합니다. 드레스업 해봤습니다. 혹시 지금 싸구려는 제품?
너무 준비됐나요?
잠깐만 선생님.
스킨알엑스.
스킨 알렉스. 노티드라. 콜라보. 노티브 콜라보.
콜라보.